Health monitoring is the major problem in today's world. Due to lack of proper health monitoring and medical expert, patients suffer from serious health issue, especially health and lung related issue. So, an IoT based smart monitoring system is made which records patients' heartbeat, pulse rate and body temperature using sensor. The condition of the patient are conveyed over the internet to the doctor for proper treatment and medicines. If the system detects any abrupt changes in the patient's health, then it automatically alerts the doctor and patient's family member over IoT using red signal. Hardware specification for these health monitoring systems are Node MCU, red LED for giving red signal whenever an abnormality is detected in the patient's health, green LED for giving green signal if the patient's health is normal, a buzzer, pulse oximeter, heart rate sensor, module to detect pulse oximeter and heart rate signals, ECG monitor sensor to measure electrical activity of the heart, which is charted as ECG. It gives the output as an analog reading. Temperature sensor to measure temperature, battery, and a general purpose 0 PCB.
Smart Health Monitoring System Project Overview. This is the pulse oximeter heart rate sensor module. This is the ECG monitor sensor module. This is the temperature sensor, all connected to the Node MCU. This blue light acts as an Wi-Fi indicator. These two LEDs act as an health indicator. These are the connections. These are the electrodes of the ECG monitor sensor. We will provide a 5 volts DC supply to the Node MCU. The sensor glowing indicate the connections are properly done. The blue light blinking indicates that the Wi-Fi is connected to the Node MCU. The green light indicate the health is in proper condition. This is the pulse oximeter. These ECG electrodes should be placed in a triangular position, 2 on the either side of the chest and 1 above the kidneys. We have to place our finger on this pulse oximeter to get the readings of the SpO2 level. We'll be using the UB.Dots IoT server for our project. This is the dashboard of our health monitoring system. On the lower half, we have the pulse, SpO2 level, and body temperature information from the sensor. Placing our finger on the pulse oximeter heart rate sensor module, we'll get the reading of the pulse, SpO2 level. On the upper half, we have the ECG graph getting displayed from the ECG monitor sensor module. If there is any health abnormality, then this red light will glow. This indicates one of our parameters is affected. We can see here that the temperature is exceeding the normal body temperature. It will alert us with an email. We can also get a phone call regarding the health advisory. This is our app. We can control the health monitoring system using our app. This is our app. It shows all the information. This is the ECG graph. This is the pulse. This is the SpO2 level. And this is the temperature.